Hello, Hammer, my old friend.
Yeah?
I've made an old man noise again. The strangest sounds emit from my body, just like the ones I make on the potty. And the smell, it will permeate your brain. My butt's in pain, so listen to the sounds of Rhyner. And you might hear a random cough. I don't know how to turn it off. The coughs, they often come without warning. I make these sounds like I am dying. And at my age, the coughing makes me hurt. I'm old as dirt. Now listen to the sounds of Rhyner. Another stammer left my lip. I farted, fell and broke my hip. The sounds, they come at such a rapid pace. I farted once and flew to outer space. Help me, Hammer, don't tell me that you can't. I crap my pants, which adds to the sounds of Rhyner. Listen to the sounds of Rhyner.
You know,
Listen to the sound